Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are making skeleton version of audio amplifier. It looks amazing. Okay, today is Sunday 18th of April 2021 and let's start today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that ring bell. Thanks! Before I show you how I assemble and solder all the electronic components and the main integrated chip, the audio amplifier TDA2005, I'm gonna explain first the circuit diagram and what electronic components you need to make your own audio amplifier, stereo amplifier 2 times by 10 watts. I print out a circuit diagram of stereo amplifier application TDA2005, and beside the integrated chip you will need other electronic components like resistors and capacitors. Most important of them are these big capacitors of 2200 microfarads, two of 100 microfarads. The resistors are critical, some of them are 3.3 ohms, 1 ohm, and so on and so on. And next minute or so I will show you how I built and assemble all the electronic components of the audio amplifier in skeleton version. That is in my style, and this amplifier will be used in my next project, that is a stereo FM radio with Arduino, and this skeleton audio amplifier will be used in that box. It turned out pretty cool. In skeleton version, as I said, I solder all the wires. The 3.5mm cable, this is for audio input, and right speaker and left speaker. Let's test. By the way, these are 8 ohms, 10 watts. Pull out from old TV. Okay. I'm gonna hook up the positive here. I think that is ready for rocking. Just to plug the negative, okay, and show you that is connected. Whoa! Sounds cool and great. Okay. This is a skeleton audio amplifier with TDA2005, 2 times by 10 watts at maximum power. that was all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please share, subscribe, and like the video. Like.